Hey, there's tow trucker, man. We're back at it again. We got expired Alabama plate right here, and I just now left the office, man. They want these cars cleared out of here. There's 32 cars on this property that have been notated to tow. So I'm fixing to load it up, man. Let's get it. Picking up another one here. We're gonna wheel lift this one. It's not a very nice neighborhood here, but we're gonna load this thing up, man, and get it off the property quick as we can. Hey, you can't knock on nobody's door. If it ain't your car, I gotta go. It ain't her car. It ain't their car, so I ain't stopping. You know, they flag me down and they try to knock on their neighbor's door. If it ain't their car, man, I ain't got to stop. I ain't waiting on nobody to wake up. Anyway, we'll roll to the office up here and sign it out. Yeah, there is.
Where?
It's on the car. It's been on there for 3 or 4 days. Is it your car?
Yeah.
Oh, I would have stopped if you'd have told me it was your car.
Yeah, that's why
I saw you standing out there and I was loading the car. I didn't
see you loading it until I seen you pulling off with it. That's when I went back. Get the key.
Yeah, see, I thought you were trying to wake your neighbor up. I thought it was your neighbor's car.
Oh no.
But anyway, I gotta sign it out. But if you want to pay it out, it's a $100 payout.
$100 payout?
Yeah. That's gonna save you money if you want to pay it out. It's up to you.
Okay, let me go get the money.
Okay. All right, you got it. She's gonna pay it out. That'll work. She's pretty nice. This is her car right here, the one she said wasn't stickered. It was actually stickered. It's actually stickered 2 months in a row. It's got a June tag on it, man. This property has got a lot of crime, and they got a lot of problems in here. This place right here, they don't allow you to keep cars on the property for more than a month or two. They're pretty lenient, but you got to talk to the office and communicate with them. And evidently, they didn't communicate on this one. So I'm waiting on her. I'm gonna give her just a minute to come pay it out if she come up with the money. Well, we'll see what goes. Girl never showed up, man. I've been out here for at least 10 minutes, man, and I can't wait on her. I just signed my tickets out and strapped the cars down, and it's my job. I got to roll out. I don't believe that car was hers. I believe it was her neighbor's, and I believe that's why she was knocking on that door, because she was trying to get her neighbor up. But so it's not even her car, which is what I thought in the beginning. Anyway, we're gonna roll off. Here we go. We're back up on the next one right here. Here we are on another one that she's told me to tow. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have to film. I'm gonna have to video this from up underneath the car, because my camera's gonna get soaking wet. It might ruin it. We're gonna have to retie that again. I don't like how it got tied, but it'll work to get it off the property anyway. Hey there, it's tow trucker, man. We're back at it again. This particular vehicle owner right here has got there's three vehicles right here. All three of these vehicles have the same exact month expired tag, and they're all parked right up front, man. So this guy's got three vehicles on property. Pretty sure it's the same exact same owner. He's got three vehicles on property, and we're fixing to tow some of them. I'm sure he's not going to be happy, but I don't think the property management's real happy either with him parking his cars in the best parking place, just letting his tags go bad. There's other people that live in this unit, and I'm sure they want the parking space. So here we go, man. We're gonna go ahead and get it loaded. Get one of them loaded anyway. This is videos for the guy that had three vehicles, a van, a Suburban, and a Ford F-250 parked out in front of his building. The lady next door with the three kids, the infant and the 3-year-old and the 5-year-old, but she's been having a real hard time getting in and out of her unit, man, with them kids. And guess what? I just towed the second vehicle of yours. You know, your tags ran out. You know, maybe you need to start paying more attention to your neighbors and quit being so entitled. Anyway, holla at you. Hey man, tow trucker, you know what it is, man. We got to get it. 2017 tag. Hey there. We're back over here at one of our properties we do, and there's been some discussion about parking scooters in the breezeway of these apartments, and it's a fire hazard. These apartments, they burn down. This right here. Now this one here was burned down because of fireworks. Somebody had some fireworks that were that caught one of the decks on fire. Anyway, I just wanted to show you that picture of these units when they burn down. You know, if they don't get the people out of the apartments, then somebody could easily pass away in fires, especially if it's in the middle of the night or something like that. But that's why they keep the breezeways on these apartments. They keep them clear of motorcycles and scooters because they can catch fire themselves and do the same thing. See what this guy looks like, the one that ran that red light in the dump truck. Get a little video of him. Prime contractor. Prime paving contractors. Yeah. Anyway, that's the way it goes.